Managing cloud costs is important as it leads to better ROI, long-term business success. In reality, companies often struggle with hidden costs, over-provisioning, and a lack of visibility into how resources are consumed, which makes budgeting difficult and can lead to unexpected expenditure. Also, complexity is compounded by the fact that cloud services from multiple vendors have unique billing structures, making it hard to get a consolidated view of spending.
The implementation of effective cost management strategies is crucial for optimizing cloud expenditures.
There are many methods that help in cost management. Let's list and discuss each method in detail. 1. Labeling. This method involves assigning labels or tags to cloud resources to categorize them based on their purpose, owner, or project. This helps in tracking the usage and cost of each resource and identifying areas where savings can be made. Also, it is useful for controlling costs and optimizing resource usage. 2. Budget limit. This method involves setting a budget limit for each project or team. It helps in keeping the costs under control and preventing overspending. It is useful for controlling costs and ensuring that the budget is not exceeded. 3. Monitoring. This method involves monitoring cloud resources usage and expenditure continually. It helps in identifying resource usage patterns and areas where costs can be reduced. This method goal is optimizing resource usage and minimizing costs. 4. Resource optimization, which involves optimizing cloud resources by selecting the right type and size of resources, resizing or shutting down resources when not in use, and using reserved or spot instances. It is useful for optimizing resource usage and minimizing costs. 5. Application software architecture and design. This method involves designing and building application software architecture that is cost-effective and cloud-native. It is useful for reducing costs and improving application performance. 6. Automation. This method involves automating the deployment, management, and monitoring of cloud resources. It helps in reducing manual efforts and minimizing the possibility of errors. This method is useful for optimizing resource usage and minimizing costs.
Understanding your internal cost structure can help in applications migration to the public cloud decision-making. The cost structure should include several cost items: hardware, software, professional services, data center rental cost, human resources cost, tech refresh cost, products market inflation cost, indirect cost related to integrations, supports, or impacting indirectly other domains. Partnering with cloud providers who can offer support and cost optimization advice can also enhance cost management efforts. Consulting services can also work with customers to evaluate their cloud infrastructure and identify opportunities for cost savings. Collaborating with experts in this field can lead customers to more successful cloud journeys and cost management efforts. Finally, all public cloud providers have their own guidelines and practices for service and capabilities use. Recently, Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, Oracle, etc., have published many white papers to explain and help customers in deploying their application into their clouds in the best conditions. Also, they have included FinOps tools in their cloud portals to help customers control cloud cost and for better cloud usage.